Well, I don't know about you, but fall just brings out the arts and crafts in me. But before you break out those holiday craft ideas, you might want to get organized first. Norris organizing expert Vicki Norris is here with ideas about how to keep your craft area neat, easier, well, with you, easier done than said, probably, right, Vicki? You always have such creative ideas.
Oh, well, thank you, Molly. You know, arts and crafts are just a fun part of the fall and winter. It's cozy, we nestle in, and it's just a good time to get those things out. But most people are buried in their good intentions, right? Because they've got all these supplies, they don't know what to do with them. So today I'm just going to run through some great little tips to keep those crafts organized.
I love it. Okay, where do we start?
Okay, the first place is just to designate a space. You saw in the former picture, that was my little arts and crafts armoire, and here is a little station that one of our organizers set up inside an old stereo cabinet. So you can grab any piece of furniture and just designate it for your arts and crafts. You don't have to have a craft room, in other words.
Very good, because a lot of us don't have the space, but
right.
We all have a shelf, right?
That's right. You can always find a little piece of furniture for that. But you might not do your arts and crafts where you store your supplies. And so I love this next tip, which is to create kits. And so here you can see a kit of glue and of scissors and of paints and craft tape. And you can just put them in those little clear plastic kits, and then they're mobile, right? So you can go to the kitchen table or counter, out to the living room, and you can do your crafts wherever you want.
Very smart. So clever.
Yeah. Okay, this next idea is to store items vertically, Molly, because here you can see a yarn box here that was just layered full of, you know, a big tangled pile.
Yes.
And so what our organizer did is just stack them vertically, as you can see, so you can see what colors you need, and then we put all the loose pieces in Ziploc bags so they don't interfere with the skeins. But you can also do this with pens, pencils, paintbrushes. Store things vertically, easier access.
Yeah, the colors of those yarns are so beautiful.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, very eye-catching, and it's just more pleasing to see it that way too, right?
It is, and this next tip you are gonna love along those lines because we color-coded some fabric and we filed it. So instead of stacking it, just file it in a bin. We do this also with t-shirts and shorts and jeans inside drawers. And so this is just a great way to store things vertically by color and to fold them just like file folders.
So clever. I love that, Vicki. Everything you do, it's not just a way to be organized, but it looks nice too.
Oh, well,
you know, you want to
you.
display the way you're organizing, which I think is so fun.
And you know what? If there's anything in our home that should be beautiful, it should be those arts and crafts, because that's how we create, right? So this last tip is to use trays and totes. And this right here is a cute little paint tote that I have. And there's these adorable little jars that I put all my paintbrushes in. And I've used baskets for clients. In fact, have a little wooden tray where I put these cute little mini buckets and all my writing implements and markers are in there. And so use the things that you have to make it beautiful, make it fun. You're more likely to use it if you can see it. And all of these tips and lots more are on our Restoring Order Facebook page as the top post today.
Vicki, love having you in. Thank you so much for your time and your great ideas. And happy crafting, everyone.
That's right. Thanks for watching this organizing video by Restoring Order. Be sure you subscribe to this channel and check us out at restoringorder.com.